Meghalaya's Angelia clinched the Miss Multimedia title and secured a spot in the top 7 at the Femina Miss India 2024 pageant held in Mumbai on Wednesday night. The 24-year-old political science graduate from Shillong impressed judges with her diverse talents and advocacy for women's rights. Mawin, who hails from the matrilineal Khasi society, has been a strong voice for gender equality. Her academic work includes a master's dissertation on the Medseprang movement and its impact on Khasi gender dynamics. Taking to social media, Mawin wrote, "My first pageant ever, and by God's grace I was in top 7, won Miss Multimedia and Miss India Northeast. I couldn't bring the crown home, but a promise to Meghalaya and Northeast. I will come back stronger than ever." Arunachal Pradesh Tadu Lunia also made waves, earning the Times Beauty with a Purpose title and advancing to the top 15. Madhya Pradesh Nikita Porwal was crowned Miss India 2024 with Rekha Pandey from Union Territories and Gujarat's Ayushi Dholakia securing the first and second runners-up positions respectively. Porwal, an actor and former TV anchor, will represent India at the upcoming Miss World pageant. The event, marking its 60th anniversary, featured performances by Bollywood personalities and former beauty queens. A nationwide talent search preceded the finale, with 30 state winners undergoing intensive training before the main competition. India's track record in international pageants includes 5 Miss World titles, with winners like Aishwarya Rai and Priyanka Chopra achieving global recognition. As part of the anniversary celebrations, the Miss India organization released a music anthem titled "Rise of Queen" to commemorate its legacy.